Math word problems. Solve the following. First sum. I had 8 rupees. Father gave me 7 rupees. How many rupees do I have now? I had 8 rupees and father gave me 7 rupees. So how many rupees will I have now? Means you have to find out the total. That means addition you have to do. 8 plus 7 is 15. I have now 15 rupees. So here you have to write 15 rupees. I have 10 bangles. How many more bangles are needed to make 19 bangles? What is given here? It is given that we have to make total 19 bangles and we have 10 bangles with us. So how many more bangles are required to make total 19? So from 19 you try to minus the 10 which you have. So you'll come to know how many you are required. 9 minus 0 is 9. 1 minus 1 is 0. So you required 9 more bangles to make it 19. The answer is 9. After taking out 4 pencils from a box, 12 were left in it. How many pencils were there in the box before? So what is given? It is given that 12 pencils were left in the box. So first you write 12. How many pencils were taken out of the box? 4 pencils. So how many pencils were there in the box before? So you have to find out the number of pencils were there in the box before 4 pencils were taken out. So 12 plus 4 you have to do. 2 plus 4 is 6 and you have 1. 16 is the answer. I had 17 apples. I gave 7 apples to my friend. How many apples are left with me now? What is given here? Here it is given total apples. First, total apples were 17 and apples given to the friend is 7. So when you give means we do subtraction. Minus 7 minus 7 is 0 and you have 1. 10 apples are left with me now. There were 8 boys and some girls. Total number of children were 16. How many girls were there? We know that 16 children are there. So 16 and boys also we know how many boys are there? 8 boys are there. Out of 16, 8 boys are there. We have to find out the girls. So do the subtraction here. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 8 girls were there. There are 10 white shirts and 7 colored shirts. How many shirts are there in all? There are 10 white shirts. So we know white shirts are 10 and color shirts are 7. We have to find out in all means total. Then you have to do plus. 10 plus 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. You have 1. Total is 17 shirts are there. I lost 4 out of 17 marbles. How many marbles are left with me now? Here we know total marbles were 17. And how many marbles are lost here? 4. That means from 17 you have to subtract 4. 7 minus 4 is 3 and you have won. 13 marbles are left with me now.